Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. I am here to tell you about the little breadboard that I told you all about that I found when I was buying the big breadboards. So look, I get these in Lancaster. This is a smaller breadboard. I guess I should have probably measured it. Let's see. It's like it's 12 3/4 long and 8 inches wide. Now, every breadboard varies slightly in size and color, but how cute is this little breadboard? I'm in love with this little breadboard. So this is like for all my mommies and grandmas, well, even aunts. You know how your grandchildren or your children go out and pick you little flowers out of the yard and they bring them in? I always end up putting them in just a little cup. Well, here's my idea. So I seen these breadboards. Then I saw this little wall mounting vase. See this? It's a black iron holder, metal iron holder, and this little vase. So here was my thought. I place it on the breadboard. Now you want to get it centered. So I would hold it up to make sure it looks centered. Can you see? And then lay it down. And then take a Sharpie and mark your little holes where your nails are going to go. Just like that. Okay. Then you take your 2 little black nails. Well, first we're going to use a drill. Let me tell you the drill first. Because you should pre-drill your little holes first so the board doesn't crack. So I am just going to start my little holes with my drill on my markings here. Okay. Then I need to switch to my screwdriver here. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay. Then you're going to place this back on your board. Place it back on your board, lining up your holes. You don't need the glass in there now. Just line up your holes on your board. And then you're going to take one of your little black screws. So this is going to be a kit. So you will get the board. You'll get your little vase holder here. And you'll get 2 screws. So then you're going to screw. You're going to screw your screws in. I might have to finish with a screwdriver. We'll have to see here. Okay, there's one. I got to get the right angle. There we go. Hey, good job. I didn't have to finish. So my holder is screwed onto my board now. Then my vase. How cute is this? So then you're just going to take some water. And you could, let me get my little, I'm going to show you what else. So if you hang it in your kitchen, you can put some fresh rosemary in there. Oh, God, that smells so good. That smells so good. You could put some fresh rosemary in there. So add your water. You're not going to need a lot of water. That's just a Dixie cup. And look how much that gave me. I don't even know if I'm going to need that much water. But you can put fresh herbs in there. Or you can put your cute little flowers that the kids bring you in. That does smell so good, though. So If you want to hang it now, you can add a hanger hook on the back. You can drill a hole in the handle if you want to hang it by a piece of jute. Personally, I use my Command picture hanging strips. I don't try not to put holes in anything if I don't have to. And this, I can probably hang on the side of my kitchen cabinet, but I'm not sure if I'm keeping it or sending it to my daughter-in-law, Amanda, for when the kids bring in their little flowers. She'll have somewhere to stick it in there. But this is the kit, and it's gonna be it's in my shop. It's in my shop. It's $34.99 and shipping is included. So you're gonna get a breadboard. You're gonna get this little vase kit, and you'll get 2 screws to screw it on with. Okay, guys, I just want to show you how cute this is. Thanks for joining me. Talk to y'all later. Bye.